the dark reaction stage. The dark reaction stage. This is also a process of photosynthesis that occurs during daylight, but it does not require sunlight energy as compared to the light reaction stage. Because of the word dark doesn't mean that it has to occur at night. It does occur during daytime, but the only thing is that it doesn't need sunlight energy. So this dark reaction stage, as we all know, is the second stage of photosynthesis, and it is known and the dark reaction stage is a stage of circular series. So the word circular, when we talk about circular, we talk about something that is round or spherical in shape. And the arrows there in the Calvin cycle, which was named after an American chemist known as Melvin Calvin. The arrows in the Calvin cycle tell us that this process is a continuous process. So the process starts when carbon dioxide combines or collides with the 5 carbon compound to form 6 carbon compound. But this whole process is seen as a slow process. In that case, the chloroplast will send an enzyme known as the rubisco. The rubisco there serves also as a catalyst to catalyze the process. That is to make the process go faster, because the process is seen as a slow process. And after making this process go faster, and it has formed this 6 carbon compound that is known as the 5 carbon compound there that collided with the carbon dioxide is also known as ribulose biphosphate that form the 6 carbon compound. That form the 6 carbon compound. So this 6 carbon compound is known as phosphoglyceric acid. So phosphoglyceric acid now will the phosphoglyceric acid will come.
The 6 carbon compound is also known as phosphoglyceric acid. No, when the 6 carbon compound split into 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound. Two molecules of 3 carbon compound,
which is also known as PGA, in short form, which is the phosphoglyceric acid. So this phosphoglyceric acid now will combine with the energy or the hydrogen gotten from the light reaction stage from the NADP. Then when it has combined with NADP, combined with the energy gotten from NADP, because NADP is rich in energy, when it has combined with this energy, this hydrogen, then it will form phosphoglyceraldehyde. This phosphoglyceraldehyde is also known as phosphoglyceraldehyde is known as PGAL. It will recycle 6 times.
The phosphoglyceraldehyde is the 3 carbon sugar.
It's a 3 carbon sugar that recycles 6 times. 6 times to form the glucose, which is the end product of photosynthesis. Then, how do we know that this PGAL, which is the 3 carbon sugar, has recycled 6 times? Because from the formula of that reaction stage, which is 6CO2 plus 6H2O directly equals to C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Because of the 66666 in that formula, from there we'll know that from there we'll tell that the carbon word that recycled
the 3
carbon sugar recycled 6 times to form the glucose, which is the end product of photosynthesis. So the process of this dark reaction stage starts. That is where we always get the end product, which is the glucose that the plants that's the glucose, and that glucose is the plant's food. Us as human beings or animals, we benefit one way or the other from that process. We as humans benefit one way or the other from that process, because when the plants have gotten their food and grow stronger, we eat them. So we benefit from them one way or the other for our food.
And when the glucose is plenty, it will store in a special place in the plant, and it will later turn into starch. And that starch can be used overnight by the plant. So and since we said that the dark reactor state is a continual process, so the plant will use the starch to continue the photosynthesis until sunrise.
Key point: chloroplast is a photosynthetic membrane
that traps the sunlight. No,
but I don't need to explain light reaction stage, because the light reaction stage is a very long stage, and that is the stage that needs the help of sunlight energy. But the dark reaction stage is short because it doesn't require the help of sunlight energy. And that is where we get the end product. And the importance of photosynthesis is that it's the end product, their waste product is oxygen. While we as human beings, we need oxygen because it's a very important respiratory gas for us, for we. So there are so many other importance of photosynthesis, but because of space and time, I can't name them now. So thank you very much.